Let me tell you, the first alphabet which you read is A. And the way we are being taught ABCD when we are in nursery class, this is a way that we have to cram ABCD, right? There is no concept given in ABCD. We just cram ABCD in our nursery class. After that, 3-4 years we will spend in cramming all the spellings, and then full life we cram. And the negative effect of cramming is this, that we forget easily, right? After a few time you will just forget. But you know that in developed countries, the way they are teaching their children is not this way that they cram ABCD. No, they have a concept in ABCD, that is, they will connect with the sound. A is not A, it is A. That's why apple. C is not C, it is K. That's why CAT is cat, right? There is a concept in ABCD which was not taught to us, but today in India, children are doing phonics. This is known as conceptual way of ABCD is known as phonics, that is connecting with the sound. When the child will do this kind of ABCD, then the child will take time to do this kind of ABCD, but after that, the child doesn't has to cram the spellings, because you speak any word in front of a 5 or 6-year-old child who has done the phonics, that child will tell you the spelling. Even if he or she has not heard that word ever in life, but because the child is very well connected to the sound, so the child will tell you the spelling, and there is no need to waste the time in cramming the things. So this way, concepts help us, and usually things are not given to us in conceptual manner, and we start thinking that there are no concepts, but it is not like that. If it is science, there has to be concept in this. We just need to find it out, right? So biochemistry is a full conceptual subject. Do not cram this subject. And the sequence of doing topics in any subject matters, and only a experienced person can tell you that sequence. And as I told you earlier also, that the sequence in my videos are well planned. So when you are taking these lectures, please do in the same sequence the way I'm taking, because first I will take the basic things, and many things in biochemistry are connected. So I have that experience that when to give what thing to you, and therefore this sequence is well planned. For mnemonics, do not do any harsh mnemonic, any difficult mnemonics. Use the mnemonic, make the mnemonic in the name only. Name is giving you such good information that you need not cram the thing. So many times I will be taking mnemonics in the name, and take this concept from me and do it in your other subjects also. Many times we are confused that we have to do the rare thing or not. So I will clear this thing. Rare versus conceptual things. If you have less time, then you should always and always skip the rare thing and do more frequently asked things and more conceptual things, because especially in a subject like biochemistry, which is a basic parachemical subject, more and more of conceptual questions are asked, lesser of rare and fact-based questions are asked. So when you are doing your preparation, do it in such a manner that you are preparing yourself according to the questions which are asked, that is conceptual questions are asked. Even if you will waste your time in doing some rare thing, that rare thing may not come in exam, and even if it comes in exam, rare things are not rank deciding factors. Mostly frequently asked questions are rank deciding factors. Even if you solve some rare question, your rank is not going to change much. But if you miss some frequently asked or conceptual questions, then your rank will drop down a lot, and it will take less time to learn that conceptual thing. So please do the conceptual things as compared to any rare thing. And when you're solving the questions, after doing the subject, you have to do MCQs. In each and every subject, you have to do this thing, because MCQ solving itself is an art. You have to develop that art for each and every subject. The more number of questions you solve yourself, you sit and solve the question, you will yourself develop that subject in you. Right? So you have to sit and solve all the MCQs. Take any one book and solve all the MCQs from that book. And when you're solving the MCQ, make it a habit that read the question very carefully, because one word in the question will change the option. For example, if this question is asked that which of the following lipid is in